Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable Audacity global menu and heads-up display on Ubuntu. This will be useful to make your desktop more consistent. Well, for those who don't know, Audacity is a free open-source digital audio editor and recording application software that licensed under the terms of GPL version 2. It runs on Linux, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, and Unix-like operating systems. As of June 26, 2020, Audacity is the most popular download from HUD, with over 93 million downloads since March 2015. For installation, you can check my website. I put the link in the description below. Okay, let's start by opening the application. As you can see, Audacity uses a menu bar. There's also no options in preferences to change the behavior. Thankfully, this can be done with a quite simple trick. So, let's do this. Open your favorite file manager. Go to root folder. Enter USR. Then share. And then applications. This is where the desktop shortcut launcher are stored. Another place is located at your home folder. This is a hidden folder, so you have to press Ctrl-H on your keyboard to show the hidden files. Okay, back to the previous one. Right-click on an empty space and choose Open in Terminal. Now run sudo nano audacity.desktop. Scroll down and you'll find an exec command. Now, change the Ubuntu menu proxy value from 0 to 1. Press Ctrl-O, then hit Enter to save the changes. Once saved, simply press Ctrl-X to exit from the Nano editor. Okay, let's open up the Audacity. Finally, a lovely global menu is back. If you're using Unity, you can enable locally integrated menu. So, that's all I can share to enable Audacity global menu and heads-up display on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to share, subscribe, and thumb up if you like this video.
Yeah.